Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Daisy. Today I have this Upart wig and it has a bob sleek look. I love it. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, more about this hair, then keep on watching. Today's wig is from Eayon Hair. They sent some goodies along with the hair, which is a wig cap and a baby hair brush. I love those, they'll come in handy because I lose them all the time. But I'm showing you guys how the wig looks straight out the packaging. It comes with a little bit of lace, so you just cut that off and install it, which I'm gonna show you guys. It's a bob wig. I'm not sure the exact inches, but I'm gonna have that in the description box below. And here is the structure of the cap. They did a great job. So boom, y'all, this is my hair. It's looking rough because I need... So here's my hair. This is gonna be a complete transformation. My hair is looking rough, but this is how my hair looks under the wig. It's been about 2 weeks and I don't really tie my hair like I should under my braid. So that's why it's looking a little rough. But it's okay, because we are gonna hook this up. Just putting some oil throughout my hair right here. Let's do that. And here we got our bob wig. Super cute. It's gonna be really easy to install because it's already straight. I just gotta bump it a little bit on the ends. And here's some lace where that U part is. I'm just gonna cut that off. So I just pinned the back of my hair with some bobby pins. And I cut off this lace. This is how the inside's looking. I love these wigs. They're so easy to do. They have the little snaps right here. I'm gonna snap this on. And just like that, your girl is back. We're gonna take a little bit of oil. So I got a little bit of oil here. We're just gonna run it through this hair. Not too much, you won't put too much right there. Gonna take my comb it out, and then just bump it in big sections. I like to straighten it first and then get that bump going. I put too much oil right here, but it'll be covered with my hair. I usually like to use the spray so I don't just put too much oil in one space, but I just ran out. But you see these ends are flipped right here, you just want to bump it under. So this hair is amazing. It's super soft and I love it. It blends in with my natural hair very well. Like you really can't even tell the difference between the two. So the good part about Upart wigs is you don't have to do all that glue and laying and baby hairs with a frontal wig, but with this wig you just pop it on and go. I am in love. Trust, this is great for the summer. You don't have to worry about hair all down your neck, so that's a good thing about bobs. And bobs are way more affordable. When you spend money on less inches, you have a more affordable wig. So as far as shedding or tangling, I didn't have any of that, which is great. This hair is A1, the quality. It's flowy, bouncy, all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, show your support. I would appreciate it. Give your girl a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Till my next video. Peace.